In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between light and dark theme in Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting and how to pick the look that feels best for your eyes and your workspace. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trello, then press Enter. From the results, click the official Trello website to open it. If you already have Trello bookmarked or pinned, you can go straight there. To make the theme options available, make sure you're signed in to your Trello account so you can access your personal settings. Once Trello is open, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this may show your photo, your initials, or a simple avatar. This menu is your hub for quick personal settings, and it's where you'll find the appearance controls that affect how Trello looks across all your boards. In the Profile menu, click on Theme. This opens a small panel or section dedicated to appearance. Think of it as the switchboard for Trello's look and feel. It's intentionally simple, so you can change modes without digging through deeper settings. You'll see three options: light, dark, and match system. Light gives you a bright, clean interface that's great in well-lit spaces and can make content feel airy and familiar. Dark shifts backgrounds to deeper tones, which many people prefer in low light to reduce glare and eye strain. Match system follows whatever theme your computer or device is set to, automatically switching Trello when your operating system changes modes. If your device is set to switch at sunset, for example, Trello will follow along without you lifting a finger. Click the option you want, and that's it. Your choice is applied instantly and saved automatically. There's no separate save button, and you don't have to refresh the page. You'll see your boards, menus, and backgrounds update right away, and the preference will stick the next time you open Trello in the same account. If you change your mind, just come back to the theme menu and pick a different option. It updates just as quickly. A quick tip: if you work long hours, consider dark or match system to ease eye fatigue over time. If you're presenting or collaborating in a bright room, light can improve on-screen visibility for everyone. That's all you need to switch between light and dark theme in Trello: simple, fast, and fully in your control. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing Trello to match your style and your day.